Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add stickers and emojis in the Instagram Edits app. All right. Let's say, for example, I'm just going to select this draft right here. Now, to be able to add in stickers, all we have to do is just move to a section where we wanted to add in a sticker. All right. For example, in this section right here. Now, what we're going to do next is just go ahead over to these tabs or options. All right. As you can see here, we have this sticker option. Just tap on it. And here we have a ton of stickers. All right. For example, I'm going to add in this one like that. And I'm going to make sure that it fills the whole photo. All right. I'm just going to drag it like that. Now I'm going to add in some more stickers like this one. All right. I'm going to move it right here. You can go ahead and pinch this one so that you can make it smaller or bigger. Okay. Now when we hit on play, it's going to look like that. Now let's say, for example, we're going to make it pop like in this section. All right. I'm just going to cut it. Just tap on the sticker itself and use these arrows, tap and hold and cut. Okay. Going to play it. Now to add in an emoji, go ahead and select a space, for example, in here. I'm going to tap on text. Okay. Tap on text. Now you can go ahead and open up the emoji section right here on your phone's keyboard. All right. Just like how you send a message to a friend, there will be emojis right here. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.